Hey guys, how's it going? This is Gerald. I want to talk about real estate investing as a beginner. Real estate investing for beginners. And so I want to answer this question from Quora, Quora. Quora is a huge, probably one of the largest, if not the largest, question and answer sites in the United States, if not the world. And the question was asking, how do I get started with $4,000 without getting scammed? In other words, where do I start at with regards to real estate investing, right? So one of the things that you can do when you begin as an investor is to tap into social media, right? Go to YouTube, go to Facebook, get a pen and pad, and follow two, maybe three people who sound like they know what they're talking about. Okay, who sound like they know what they're talking about. Take notes. Take all that information. Gather all that quote unquote free information. Just gather it up. But before you do that, you want to figure out what niche you want to involve yourself in. And so if you're beginning with $4,000, what you want to look at is things like wholesaling. Things like lease options, maybe even subject to investing. You can type these terms into YouTube to get more of an understanding on them, okay? These are considered, quote unquote, non-traditional ways of real estate investing. And so you have two types. Real estate investing, it involves two types of buckets. You have traditional real estate investing, which is typically fix and flips, buy and holds. And then you have non-traditional real estate investing, which are creative ways of investing, which are wholesaling, lease options, subject to, et cetera, et cetera. So with $4,000, one of the things you can do is A, educate yourself for free, and then B, ask others, as you join different communities of the people that you're following, ask others if they have had success with following this person's information. And as you ask 3 to 5 people if they have had success following this individual, then take the time to invest resources and time with this person. Why? You have asked other people about this individual and they have had success with this particular information from this individual. And so now you can feel confident in investing in whomever that is, right? So the terms that you want to type into YouTube and Facebook or even Google are wholesaling. You want to type in lease option. You want to type in subject to investing. These are typically the more common creative ways to invest in real estate, where you don't necessarily need a lot of money or even credit to begin real estate investing, okay? So with $4,000, that will allow you to, A, invest in education, should you choose to. Like I say, you can go the free route, but should you choose to invest in education, that $4,000 can do that. Also, that can afford you some monies for marketing. Okay, marketing to motivated sellers. Okay, so real estate investing does not have to be expensive, but just remember, the most important aspect of real estate investing is your ability to be consistent. Most people start, then stop. Most people start, then stop. Okay, what I'm telling you is this: when you hit a brick wall, keep going. Keep going. So this is a great video for people who want to begin real estate investing. And I'm going to also have a link in the description that's going to go back to the Quora answer, where you have several people that have also answered this question as well. Okay, once again, this is Gerald. Check out the link in the description. You all have a great day.